Do you need to replace the heatsink on your Dell XPS 14-9440? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, remove the bottom base screws. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. Then unclip the locking tabs to disconnect the left and right cooling fan cables. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink fan assembly. Note, if you have discrete graphics, there are 2 additional screws that must be loosened. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.